A plan to address homelessness is now in the hands of city and county leaders in our community. The Spokane Regional Collaborative has been working to organize recommendations over the last 90 days.
In those recommendations, a bold plan to reduce homelessness by 40% over the next 2 years. Our Vanessa Perez is in studio with us to talk about what this could look like.
It's time for Spokane to unite. That's the message shared earlier today. The group says homelessness does not know boundaries and that the plan will tackle long-term challenges in our community. It says there are no lack of resources. The plan essentially connects the dots between services and programs. A different approach to tackling homelessness in our community could be coming soon.
Operative word this morning is that people were optimistic and hopeful. And I think that's a good sign for Spokane. We need this. Spokane needs this. So we're looking forward to seeing what happens next.
During the presentation, the group made recommendations to move the shelter system into a triage approach, prioritizing those most in need. The initiative goes beyond and also addresses housing, health, and safety.
About a lot of people in the organization working for it. You're talking about many tens of millions of dollars going into it. And you're talking about addressing our community's #1 problem right now, addressing homelessness.
The proposed entity will have a governing board that will include 5 elected leaders and 8 non-elected ones. The board will consist of people from a variety of areas like mental health to the business community. Funding for the plan would come from 3 resources: federal, state, and local tax dollars.
We don't think we have a money problem in terms of the available funds. We have a money problem in terms of getting them integrated and connected in a better way.
The group set a big goal of reducing homelessness by 40% in 2 years. Smith, who works closely with the homeless, says he's all for it as long as the group listens to providers.
I just kind of went, oh, okay, now you got my attention. Because the unsheltered homeless represent the most challenging population in homeless services.
A long-term plan aiming to tackle a major issue. Now that the group has handed over the plan, city and county leaders have to agree and sign off on it. It will go through a public process and there will likely be revisions. The group is hoping to have the plan going by the start of next year. Live in studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.
Vanessa, thank you.